Hi, I'm Jason. I'll walk you around this Transit Custom today. So for sale here at Roywood Transits, we've got a Ford Transit Custom. It's the DCIV, so it's a double cabin van. November registered 22 on a 72 plate, done 14,000 miles, so 14,000 miles. Long wheelbase, automatic in the very best colour, the metallic magnetic grey. So engine wise, we've got 2 litre 130, it's the Euro 6, the 6-speed automatic. Absolutely cracking condition van. So 3 seats in the front, bench 3 seats in the back. Limited series, so all of the nice bits and pieces you come to expect on the Transit Custom now. So alloys, colour coding, aircon, front and rear parking sensors. This one's got a rear park camera as well. There you go, the video's even made the sunshine come out today. Driver's door security lock has been fitted as well, so the Ford door lock's been taken out and upgraded to the Locks for Vans stainless steel door lock. So Ford warranty until November 25, subject to routine service and maintenance. We're going to have a look in the load area. So into the load area, ply lined to the sides and the doors. Spare wheel lives underneath, but we take them off and store them in the back while they're on demonstration for sale. That'll be popped back up if you choose to purchase and come to collect it. So full bulkhead. LED lights in the back as well, so it's nice and bright when you open the rear doors. Okay, so rear bench seat. I don't actually think anybody's ever been in the back of this, it's so clean. So again, bench seat, seats 3, full lap and diagonal seat belts. We've got Isofix for the outside 2 seats, so not on the centre seats, so 2 sets of Isofixes in the back for you. 10-way adjustable driver's seat, which is heated. Dual passenger seat, the outside seat is heated. You've got Thatcham alarm fitted for you. Automatic. Touchscreen tablet. Heated seats, heated windscreen, aircon, heated mirrors as well. So 14,282 on the miles. Cruise control and volume control, dashboard computer control, you've got your Bluetooth answering and your voice activation. Engine mode, turn the parking sensors off, you've got traction control as well. Let me just start it up. Go into reverse for you. So rear park camera. This one also has the newer just standard rear camera as well. Got your parking sensors front and back for you. Audio system's got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as well, so plug your smartphone in, you can use the apps off your phone through the van. AM, FM, DAB, and you can Bluetooth your phone on, use any music you've got on your phone through the van as well. It's a really nice system. Automatic headlights. It's got auto wipers as well. You've got electric folding mirrors, so pull the mirror switch back, mirrors fold in for you. Mirror switch back again, mirrors fold out. Really nice feature. So in summary for you, we've got a Ford Transit Custom double cabin van, automatic, 2 litre 130 Euro 6, 14,000 miles, November registered 22 on a 72 plate, so Ford warranty until November 25. Absolutely great condition van in the best colour as well, in stock today. If you'd like more details or you'd like to book a viewing, please give me a call in the office, 0118 979 0060. Thanks very much. Take care. All the best.